In this video, I'll show you how to set up an appointment booking page in Square. First, sign in to your Square dashboard and open Appointments. If you haven't set up Square Appointments yet, follow the prompts to enter your business information and configure your scheduling settings. Next, add the services that customers can book. Open your services or service library and create a service with a name, duration, price, and any other details you want customers to see. Save each service you want to offer through your booking page. After that, set your availability. Choose the days and hours when customers can book appointments and assign services or staff members to the appropriate schedules. Review your calendar settings to make sure your available times are correct. Now open your online booking settings and choose how customers can access your booking page. Square can provide a booking site or booking link that you can share directly. Customize the page with your business information, services, and other available options. Finally, copy your Square booking link and share it with customers through your website, email, social media, or other channels. Test the page yourself by selecting a service and an available appointment time to make sure everything works correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up an appointment booking page in Square. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.